Organic compounds can have many common names, which quickly becomes confusing. The IUPAC naming system acts like a universal postal address, giving every structure one precise, logical name. This video walks through the main rules used to build systematic names step by step. Start by identifying the longest continuous chain of carbon atoms in the molecule. This chain is called the parent chain and provides the root word of the name, such as meth dash, eth dash, prop dash, but dash, or pen dash. The number of carbons in this backbone determines the main framework the rest of the name is built on. Next, look at the bonds within the parent chain. If all carbon bonds are single, use the suffix "ane". If there is at least one double bond, use "ene", and if there is a triple bond, use "ne". The position of the first multiple bond is indicated with a number to show exactly where it occurs. Any carbon groups not part of the main chain become substituents. Common examples include methyl groups, written as CH, and ethyl groups, written as CH. These are named as prefixes and will appear before the parent name, with numbers showing which carbon of the main chain they are attached to. Assign numbers to the parent chain so that the substituents receive the lowest possible set of locants. Count from the end that gives the first branch, multiple bond, or functional group the smallest number. This low-address rule ensures different chemists will always arrive at the same numbering for a given structure. Certain functional groups, such as halogens or alcohols, change how a compound is named. These groups often have higher priority than simple alkyl branches. Priority affects both numbering and the suffix. For example, an alcohol group usually forces the chain to be numbered so that the OH carbon has the lowest possible number. When multiple different substituents are present, list them in alphabetical order in the name. Ignore multiplicative prefixes such as di dash, tri dash, or tetra when alphabetizing. Use commas between numbers and hyphens between numbers and words, creating a clear sequence of locants and substituent names before the parent chain. A full IUPAC name combines prefix, root, and suffix. Numbers indicate substituent positions, substituents are alphabetized, the root reflects the longest chain, and the suffix shows the main functional group and bond type. Following these conventions allows chemists to translate a name like 2-bromo-3-methylhexane directly into one exact molecular structure. Systematic naming relies on a logical sequence. Choose the longest chain, determine bond types, locate substituents, assign numbers with priority rules, order substituents alphabetically, and then assemble prefix, root, and suffix. With practice, these steps make it straightforward to name or interpret even complex organic molecules.